Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Johnathon. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I got a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So let's get into it. Before I get started with today's video, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what I got from Louis Vuitton, then keep on watching. So if you guys know me, you know that I have no self-control, and once I saw this on Foxy LV's Instagram, I just had to go and pick it up. I just love this colorway of this item, and as you can tell from the size of the box, it is going to be an SLG. I know, Johnathon, I have so many SLGs, I just don't know what to do with myself, but it just gives me the opportunity to get little bits from each collection rather than devoting myself to a large handbag. But for right now, I think I have a good amount of different variety of handbags in my collection, so I just gravitate towards SLGs, and it just gives me that little bit of a pick-me-up so that way I can get something from the collection, as I mentioned before. So let's get right into the unboxing. I did order this online, as you guys can probably tell from the box. So you do get this little pull tab here. So just gonna go ahead and pull it. And then opening it up, it does say Louis Vuitton at the top. And then you do get your receipts. And then as I mentioned in my last unboxing, you do get shopping bags now, which I think is great. I actually don't think I have this size of bag. And then you're greeted with the item. Obviously they didn't tie the ribbon well, but that's fine. I'm gonna be opening it up anyways. So any guesses as to what this item might be? A little bit more of a hint. So the item that I ended up picking up was, oh wow. So I ended up getting the coin card holder in the gunmetal color. So I absolutely love this item. I'll do a quick little Autumn Beckman spin, as they say. So this is the back, the front, this is the top, and then the bottom. So absolutely love this color. I did not expect it to be like this at all. So this does retail on the Canadian website for 510 Canadian dollars, and it does come with silver hardware. This is located in the men's section. So I was debating between this and the pocket organizer, but when I looked online, the pocket organizer actually didn't come with the gunmetal monogram on the back. It just came with like a regular Taigarama leather, and I didn't really like how that looked. I wish they had the pocket at the back in the same gunmetal and then just the interior in the Taigarama, but absolutely love this. Oh, the zipper is nice and smooth, love that. And then opening it up, you do get the 2 textile cards. And then if you are interested, this is made out of exterior coated fabric, and then the interior is vachetta leather. And then the item code is going to be M30839. As of filming this video, this is actually sold out on the website, but I'm not 100% sure if they will restock. I hope they do, because this is absolutely gorgeous in person. Honestly, I just have like no words for this. And then this piece was made in Italy, which I think my other coin card holder is made in Italy as well. And I'm gonna go grab my reverse monogram eclipse, because when I had saw this gunmetal on the Foxy LV's Instagram, I thought it looked a lot like monogram eclipse in the reverse, but looking at it now, it doesn't actually look like that. It looks a little bit more silvery. So let me go get that to show you guys a quick comparison. So this is my reverse monogram coin card holder. As you can see from the two, it actually is a lot more darker for this one. So this one has a little bit more of a silver tint to it compared to the reverse monogram clips. So they actually do look a lot different. I actually really do love this gunmetal monogram. This is really cute. I hope they come out with a bag like this. Now that I say that I'm a bag piece, if they come out with a bag like this, I might have to go and pick it up. Absolutely love this card holder. I have been using this one a lot more frequently now, so I'm super happy to add this one into my collection. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. This was my quick unboxing of my new gunmetal coin card holder. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.